Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle teeming with life, there lived a cunning fox named Felix. Felix was known far and wide for his sharp wit and sly ways. He was always on the lookout for his next adventure, eager to outsmart anyone or anything that crossed his path. One sunny morning, as Felix was prowling through the dense foliage of the jungle, his keen senses picked up the scent of something sweet and delicious wafting through the air. Intrigued, he followed the scent until he stumbled upon a clearing where a luscious vine of grapes hung tantalizingly from a nearby tree. With a gleam in his eye and his stomach growling in anticipation, Felix approached the vine of grapes. They were plump, ripe, and glistening in the sunlight, promising a delectable feast. However, as Felix reached out to pluck a grape, he realized with dismay that the vine was too high for him to reach. Undeterred by the obstacle, Felix pondered for a moment before a mischievous grin spread across his face. "I may not be able to reach the grapes with my paws," he thought to himself, "but I can certainly outsmart them." With that, Felix set off on a grand adventure through the jungle, determined to find a way to enjoy the succulent grapes. Along the way, he encountered a host of other animals, each with their own unique talents and abilities. First, Felix stumbled upon a wise old owl perched high in the branches of a towering tree. "Ho, ho, who goes there?" the owl hooted inquisitively as Felix approached. "It is I, Felix the fox," replied Felix with a polite bow. "I seek your wisdom, O wise owl, for I have a challenge that requires a clever solution." The owl blinked its large, round eyes and nodded sagely. "Speak, young fox, and I shall do my best to aid you." Felix explained his predicament to the owl, detailing how the grapes were just out of reach and how he was determined to find a way to enjoy them. The owl listened intently before ruffling its feathers thoughtfully. Indeed, the grapes may be high, but perhaps there is a way to bring them down to your level," suggested the owl. "There is a troop of mischievous monkeys who dwell in the treetops nearby. They are known for their acrobatic skills and nimble fingers. Perhaps they could assist you in retrieving the grapes." Felix's eyes sparkled with excitement at the owl's suggestion. "Thank you, wise owl. Your advice is invaluable. I shall seek out the monkeys at once." With a grateful nod to the owl, Felix bounded off through the jungle in search of the mischievous monkeys. It wasn't long before he stumbled upon a lively troop of monkeys swinging through the trees with boundless energy and agility. "Hello there, my fine simian friends," called out Felix as he approached. "I come seeking your assistance in a matter of great importance." The monkeys chattered amongst themselves, curious to hear what the fox had to say. Felix explained his predicament to them, describing the tantalizing grapes just out of reach and his desire to enjoy their sweetness. The monkeys scratched their heads thoughtfully before one of them, a clever little fellow named Milo, spoke up. "I think we can help you, Mr. Felix," said Milo with a mischievous grin. "But first, you must prove yourself worthy of our assistance." Felix's ears perked up with interest. "And how might I do that?" he inquired eagerly. Milo gestured towards a nearby vine hanging from a particularly high branch. "You see that vine, Mr. Felix?" Felix nodded confidently, his competitive spirit ignited. Without hesitation, he leaped towards the vine and began to climb with all his might. The monkeys watched with interest as Felix ascended higher and higher, his determination driving him ever onwards. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Felix reached the top of the vine and beheld the prize that awaited him, a cluster of ripe bananas, gleaming in the sunlight. With a triumphant grin, Felix plucked the bananas from the branch and descended back to the forest floor. The monkeys cheered and applauded as Felix presented them with the bananas. "Well done, Mr. Felix!" exclaimed Milo, clapping his hands together. You have proven yourself to be a worthy ally. Now, let us assist you in your quest for the grapes. With the monkey's help, Felix devised a clever plan to retrieve the grapes from the high branches. Using their nimble fingers and agile bodies, the monkeys swung through the trees and carefully plucked each grape from the vine, dropping them into Felix's waiting paws below. At long last, Felix found himself with a mouthful of juicy grapes, their sweetness dancing upon his tongue. As the sun began to set on the jungle horizon, Felix bid farewell to the monkeys and made his way back home, his belly full and his heart light. Along the way, he reflected on the adventure he had embarked upon and the valuable lesson he had learned. For Felix, the grapes had served as a reminder that sometimes the sweetest rewards are worth the effort it takes to attain them. And with a little creativity, determination, and the help of friends, even the most seemingly impossible challenges can be overcome. And so, the cunning fox and the mischievous monkeys forged a bond that would endure for years to come, united by their shared adventure and the delicious grapes that had brought them together. And as they journeyed through the jungle, they knew that no obstacle was too great as long as they faced it together.